Hi food lovers, today we're making something spicy and absolutely delicious. It is spicy turkey Nigerian style. Stay tuned for it. First, I'm going to use some washed turkey wings. You can use any part of turkey you want. I'm using wings today. I'm going to pop them into a pot and then I'm going to start seasoning them. I have some white chopped onions, some garlic and ginger, some curry powder, and I'm going to go in with some mixed herbs. This will really build the flavor of the turkey. And I'm going to add some bay leaf, just 1 or 2 bay leaf to enhance the aroma and the flavor. And salt too. I added some salt to it, and I'm also going to add mixed seasoning powder to it. I'm just going to give it a good turn just to incorporate all those seasoning I've added, and it should look like this. If you have the time, you can marinate it, but I'll cook it slowly over heat. And when my turkey is done, I'm going to pop it into a rack and grill it. Now I'm going to go over to my pepper mix to blend it. I have some scotch bonnet and bell peppers. Pop that into a blender, give it a quick blend until it's smooth or whatever texture you like. And I'm going to pop this into a pan, our dry pan. I'll add in some oil into it. I'm going to add in some red onion and just let that onion simmer for 2 minutes before I go in with my pepper mix. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, now is a good time to hit that subscribe button. We're going to give this some time to let it dry up. And guys, I would like to know where you're watching me from. Comment below and tell me the country you're watching from. I'm going to go in with some seasoning powder again and just stir it around. We want our pepper sauce to be flavorful. And when it's dry, I'm going to introduce the grilled turkey into the pepper mix. Just look at how golden that turkey is. And I'm going to mix it all up in that pepper mix until it is properly incorporated. You're going to let it simmer in a bit, and then I'm adding the turkey stock to it. Just going to turn it and let that soak in, let the turkey soak in the flavor of the pepper sauce and the turkey stock too. And when you've done that, I'll add in more white onion. This one is roughly chopped. And then I have some pepper that I want to add in, some green bell pepper that I'll be adding into it, and also some spring onions. This will give it a good flavor, and also to make the presentation very lovely. And guys, there you have it. Your spicy turkey wings is ready to be served. You can serve this alone. You can also serve this with some rice. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.